Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video on JavaScript Methods and Events in today's challenge. Today we are going to start looking at the mouse over and then the mouse out event. And basically, the mouse over and mouse out event is triggered when the mouse moves over child elements. Well, this is very simple to understand, but before we actually start coding, let me show you what I have inside my HTML. In here, I have created a div with an ID of box, and I've given it some styles that you are seeing right here. Okay, so when we start moving our mouse over this box, we are going to change the background color. That is the objective of this video. So to get started, I'll select the ID in my JavaScript file. So I'll go with cons, and then I'll name my variable box. So right now, I'll select the item using the query selector. And in here, all I need to do is to select the box, just like that. And what do we want to do? We want to add our event listener to the box. So I'll go with box.add event listener. And in here, we need to pass in the event, which is mouse over. And then at the same time, we want to pass in our function keyword, just like that. And what do we want to do? Like I told you, we want to change the color. We can use this keyword to say that the functionality that we want to apply is going to be affected by this variable, which is box. So I will go with this.style.background color, and then it is going to be something like gray. Every time I over this box, the background is going to change. Well, to see that, I will refresh my web page, and then look at it. But as soon as I remove my mouse from that box, the color is not going to change. And that is why we need to use the mouse out event in order to change the background color to whatever color we want after we remove the mouse from the box. So what I'm going to do is to duplicate this, and I will change the name around, which is mouse out, just like that. And I will change the color to something like black. So now I'll refresh my web page, and it gets immediately we hover over it, the color is going to turn to gray. But as soon as I remove the mouse, look at it, the color is going to change to black, just like that. And basically, this is how to use the mouse out and then the mouse over event. It is triggered when the mouse moves over something. If you're very creative enough, you can actually do a lot. I don't know if you've seen my React project, whereby I showed you some cool animation. Whenever you move your mouse over your web page, it is going to have this wonderful animation that you're seeing right on your screen right now. So if you're very creative enough, you can actually do a lot. So guys, this is our tutorial. I hope you've learned something from this video. If you do, make sure that you stay updated and make sure that you practice in order to solidify your understanding. By the end of all this tutorials challenge, we are going to start building projects, and we are going to start using many of the JavaScript methods and functions and events that we have been learning so far. So guys, I hope you find it useful. If you do, make sure that you like it, subscribe, and stay updated. So guys, with that being said, I'll see you in our next tutorial.